Hurry, Santa! It was Christmas Eve, Santa's busiest time of year. But Santa was fast asleep, snoring under his blanket. Wake up, squeaked Santa's little mouse, tugging at his beard. Hurry, Santa, you can't be late tonight. Ouch, cried Santa, sitting up and rubbing his chin. Goodness, is that clock right? The alarm didn't go off, and I've overslept. Santa leapt out of bed and began to pull on his clothes. He was in such a hurry that he put both feet in one pant leg and fell flat on his face. Hurry, Santa, meowed the cat. You're going to be late. No, I can't, agreed Santa, getting back up. I can't be late delivering the presents. When he was finally dressed, Santa hurried outside to his sleigh. He picked up the harness and tried to put it on the reindeer. But the reindeer weren't there. Oh no, cried Santa. Where can they be? The reindeer are loose in the woods, called Fox. You'd better catch them before they wander off. Hurry, Santa. You can't be late tonight. No, I can't, agreed Santa, running toward the trees. Deep in the woods, some of the reindeer were having a snowball fight. Ah! Shouted Santa as a snowball hit him in the face. Hurry, Santa, hooted Owl. You don't have time to play in the snow. But I wasn't playing, said Santa. He searched all over for the other reindeer, but they were nowhere to be found. I hope you four can pull the sleigh by yourselves, he said. Come on, we've got work to do. At last, Santa took off, steering the sleigh towards the moon. Go, reindeer, go, he shouted. We can't be late tonight. Around the world they flew, delivering their presents. Down again, called Santa, turning the sleigh toward a farm. Hurry, Santa, answered the reindeer. We're miles from anywhere, and the night's almost over. I'm doing my best, boomed Santa, flickering the reins. Before he knew what was happening, the reindeer quickened their pace. Whoa, cried Santa, but it was too late. Landing with a bump, the sleigh skidded crazily across the snow. Oh dear, cried Santa. Crash! The sleigh had gotten stuck in a giant snowdrift. Santa scrambled to his feet and rubbed his bruised bottom. Nothing's broken, he said. We must hurry. When the reindeer had untangled themselves, they tried to dig out the sleigh. They tugged and pulled and pushed as hard as they could. But the sleigh was completely stuck in the snow. It's no use, wailed the reindeer. We can't move the sleigh on our own. We must keep trying, said Santa. The sky is getting lighter and we're running out of time. Suddenly, Santa heard a loud neigh. Trotting toward them was a very large horse. Hurry, Santa, she neighed. You've still got presents to deliver. I'll help you move your sleigh. So they all pulled together, even Santa's little mouse, but it was no good. The sleigh was still stuck. Hurry, Santa, called the rooster from the barnyard. It's nearly morning. I am trying to hurry, puffed Santa. One more pull, everyone. At last, the sleigh began to move. And Santa tumbled backward, cheering loudly. Hurry, Santa, called the animals. The sun's rising. You've got to finish your rounds before the children wake up. Yes, agreed Santa. It's nearly Christmas Day. It was a close call, but by dawn Santa had managed to deliver every present. Finally, he and the reindeer arrived back at the North Pole. We did it, yawned Santa. I wasn't... He stopped talking, and he stared at his sack in dismay. At the very bottom was a present. Oh no, how awful, he cried. I've forgotten someone. Then Santa saw that all the animals were laughing at him. That present is for you, said the reindeer. It's from all of us. Hurry, Santa, added the little mouse. You should open your present. It's Christmas Day. Well, yes, I should, chuckled Santa. Now, I wonder what it is. A brand new alarm clock.